If you've ever wondered how the lens manages to gather plant tissue analysis results in real time from just scanning a leaf sample, you're in luck. Here's how we do it. Inside this weatherproof case, we've assembled some pretty fancy hardware to get the job done. First thing you'll see when you open up the box is this scanning setup. If we actually pop the lid here, you can see that we have our optical sensors right here, tied up to this optical fiber. The sensor's job is pretty simple. The only thing they do is they measure how much light bounces off the leaf sample. So our optical sensors are tied up to this probe through the optical fiber. Its job is to capture the light that bounces off your leaf sample. The probe is set up on this scanning surface on which you put down your leaves. Once you put your sample down, you place the probe on top of the leaf and you grab a measurement. The light that bounces off the leaf sample travels from the probe to the optical devices inside the box, and that's the raw data we use to evaluate the nutrient content in the sample itself. All right, my machine is good to go. I've got my sample, my scanning environment ready to go here. First step is to calibrate the machine. So you see on the screen here, there's some instructions for you. We ask you to take the probe and place it on the white background. The white reference here serves as a calibration device. You place the probe onto the white background and you click on the Optimize button to grab your first calibration measurement. The system is going to get calibrated to that background. Once that's done, it's going to ask us to turn off the probe and capture a dark reference. So we'll do that. Then finally we open up the probe again and grab a final calibration measurement. All right, there we have it. The system's telling us it's ready to go. It's asking us to place our sample on the provided black background and place the illuminated probe on the sample to take a scan. You grab your probe, take off your white background, grab your first leaf sample, place it on the scanning surface, place your probe on top, and press scan. So again, during this process, the system is going to evaluate how much light bounces off your leaf sample, and from there, we'll be able to give you a nutrient analysis of the sample. You repeat this process for 15 leaves from your sampling area. Once that's done, you've collected all the data you need to get your tissue analysis done. The system is going to average out the optical profile of the leaves you just sampled and is going to feed it to our back end where our algorithm is going to evaluate the nutrient content in your sample. So I'm going to press upload here and the data is going to get shot up to the cloud and our sample is ready to view. So to access your data in Fieldbook, all you need to do is navigate to the recent scan page, click on the sample you just looked at, and click on Open in Fieldbook. This is going to take you to the dashboard. You can view your recent sample by clicking on it here. So there you have it. Within a few seconds, your tissue test results are ready to view, and you can move on with the agronomy work. If you'd like to learn more or you're interested in this tech, you can always find us at Biketta.com.